here is Brian, who started this channel. This is his name right here. He was number 1 in his baseball team. Here is him and his friend. Oh, remember this now because. Okay. There's him right there. Got made a sticker. It looks really ugly too. But now it's about time to hear about me. It will not hurt me. I think you know who I am. I was in that dog review video, and now it's time that you know who I am. So now it's time. Wait, okay. Okay, so there. If you don't know what kind of breed it is, he is a pit bull. Okay, he is a pit bull. Whenever he was born at Matthias, or if you're not Hispanic or something, Matthias had a dog who had puppies, over 100, 10 of them, and he was the little runt. If you don't know what a runt is, it's it's basically if you don't know what a runt is, it's you're really small, yeah, you're smaller than all the others, but yeah. Even he looked big in this one, but yeah. Okay, now it's time to go through what he went. Dang it. Now it's time to talk about him. So, whenever he was born, my Thea will bring him to my grandma's house a long time, and I would play with him, and I really wanted him for my 6th or 7th, yeah, I think it was 6th birthday. I got him, and now this little girl, Pebbles, has a buddy now, and yeah. There is Pebbles. I mean Pinky. Whenever we were coming, whenever we weren't, we didn't name him, but Thea did. But yeah, and okay, and we gave him 2 nicknames. The first one that we always call him is Cuckoo. And another one we call him when we first got him was Pinky Chew. And then oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, he also jumped out a car window. He got scars everywhere. He was rolling around the street, pooping everywhere. But he's fine now. And also he has an arm under there. But